Hello friends, welcome to Innovative World. Today I will show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more innovative videos. This is a fully jumbled Rubik's Cube. Now I will show you how to solve it. In a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, these are the center pieces and they always remain the same. The opposite of black is yellow, the opposite of blue is green, the opposite of red is orange. Next, these are our edge pieces and these are our corner pieces. Now I will show you the basic two steps for solving the Rubik's Cube. From the right side, up, left, down, right. From the left side, up, right, down, left. These are the steps to solve the Rubik's Cube. Step 1. Now we have to choose one color and make a plus sign with the edge piece matching with the middle piece. So now I will choose a black centerpiece. So now I have the plus sign and the edge pieces are matching with the center pieces. Step 2. Now with the help of the basic steps, we have to match all the corners. Now I have completed one color and also my first line has completed. Step 3. Now we have to match the middle line. Now we have completed the middle line. Step 4. For the upper side, first we will match the edge pieces. See, now I have matched the edge pieces. Now we will match the corner pieces. If you want to learn in detail, please comment below. I will teach you in detail. Done.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to Innovative World.